Here's another Tootsie Toy that I restored. This is kind of a rare Tootsie Toy. It's a larger scale of a panel truck that I've never seen before. It's a early 50s Dodge panel truck. It was badly chipped, so I sanded what was left of the paint on here and repainted it in this with this red paint. The tires are good yet after all these years. I painted the back and front bumpers and grille, and the underside has no base like some other die-cast toys. Tootsie Toys were made of like galvanized metal, which makes that very durable over the years, but it doesn't hold paint too well. And most of the times people who buy vintage Tootsie Toys will sand them and repaint them. The original color on this might have been blue, could have been green. I had two different shades of those colors. What remained on this Tootsie Toy, but I decided to paint this in a red shade. So anyway, it's another Tootsie Toy that I had restored. And thanks for viewing.